What if the answers to today's challenges were found in a story over 14 centuries old, a story of faith in the face of adversity, a story of mercy in times of division, a story of purpose in an age of confusion? The story is the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Minhaj al-Quran USA presents. Join us in Houston for the Sīrah and Modern Times, an inspiring evening with Shaykh Hammad Mustafa al-Madani al-Qadri. Explore how the timeless teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him, continue to guide us through the realities of modern life, helping us navigate our relationships, strengthen our character, and reconnect with our purpose. Whether you are seeking knowledge, spiritual growth, or deeper understanding of Islam, this event is for you. Join us on Saturday, July 4th, 2026 at the ULH Community Center, Houston. Doors open at 7 p.m. The Sīrah and Modern Times, Houston. Because the guidance that transformed a generation can still transform lives today. Register now.